Hello Libra. Right now I am gonna do your love reading for the month of June 2021. We will just do a straightforward love reading for Libra people. It's gonna be just about love. Okay, so you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. So let's start shuffling. Okay. So bottom of the deck, 10 of swords. Okay, let's see. King of wands, death, page of cups, king of pentacles, ace of cups, the lovers. So Libra, your overall energy, 10 of swords. Okay, this is not a good card, and it's come under minor arcanas, so it's a temporary energy. Okay, you can change this energy. Here you are dealing with either Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. All the signs are present here. So this 10 of swords is just telling me that you are going through some separations. This card could also indicate dishonesty. Okay, this could also be an indication that someone close to you isn't what they seem. Okay, isn't what they seem. They are very different in your back, and if you are going through some separation, then it's a good thing happening for you, right? Okay, because this person cannot come with you on the path that you are not meant to be on. Okay, you are not meant to be on that path. So definitely you are going through some betrayal or separation, breakups, something like that. And here we have two kings, right? King of wands, and below king of pentacles. Here king of wands and king of pentacles. You have two people in your life. You have two people in your life, and both card represents that this both person is in competitive nature, but like similar rank, skills, and capabilities. You have two people in your life. Here the one is king of pentacles is very controlling nature, discipline, and very abundant. Okay, and the one king of wands is very natural born leader type personality. And I think in your past you are dealing with two people, right? And here death card, here the death card is all about ending of a cycle, like ending of a cycle and powerful movement. Just now in your current situation, I'm feeling this energy that you just separated from someone, and now you realize that I have to move on, something like that. I have to move on and take a powerful movement in your life, because now you are just fed up with this all. And just death here represents a completion, ending of a cycle. A cycle has completed in your life, because you just escaped from this all. Okay, these two people in your life. I think this king of wands is your past person, and the king of pentacles is your just recent past. Okay, recent past, like current separations you are going like from 10 months, 10 week, something like that. Okay, so here like This also, death comes in when death comes in love reading, spell trouble, especially if you are wondering if you should stay or go. Okay, like you are conflicting your mind, like confusing your mind. So this also represents, death is also represent this. And you just move on from this. Okay, you have just moved on from this all. It also just suggests that if you are still stick on that, so don't do that, and suggesting you to let go of your past or hurt that is affecting the future. Okay, don't affect your future. It also represents some new beginnings, because exact death is clarified by Ace of Cups, right? Death is clarified by Ace of Cups, and here death also signifies new beginning. So Ace of Cups, someone new is coming into your life soon, because Page of Cups and Ace of Cups. Page is something new, fresh, younger than you, or some young energy, not mature. Okay, someone is coming into your life, someone new, and I think you are waiting for that. Okay, because you are going through a lot in this, and you are waiting for that. And this one is your, this new person is gonna be your, best person in your life, because we have Lovers. Okay, we have Lovers in, as a clarified by Page of Cups. Okay, Page of Cups and the Lovers. Someone is coming into your life who gives his or best, and just this is your best person. Like you think that what you have gone through in your past, then you just forget about you are going to forget everything about all this conflict in your life. Okay, this was a part of your journey. Okay, this was a part of your journey. So someone new is coming now here. Okay, Two of Cups, exactly. What are you waiting for is coming. Okay, I will take one card as an outcome advice for Libra people. Please give me one message for Libra. One message for Libra. Emperor, you are now going into your power. Okay, into your power. You are gonna be like very self-loving, just only thinking about yourself, feeling very selfish, and self-love. You are just doing all this in coming future. Emperor is all about very very high authoritative type person. So you are feeling very strong in coming days, and you have gone through a lot in your past. So after that, if you are in that energy, definitely you will attract some new one in your life. Okay, so be in that energy. Okay, and underneath we have Two of Wands. Okay, waiting, you are waiting for that. So that's why you are doing self-love and all for your. Okay, so this is your reading, Libra. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.